Hello and welcome to Financeable on this new video on how to log in into Ultimate Finance account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. I'll just get started. Firstly, open your web browser. In the web browser, there will be a search bar in the top. Click on the search bar and type Ultimate Finance login and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown to you and you just have to click on the login to your portal. Search results, just click on it and their login portal will be opened. So when you scroll down a little bit, firstly, you need to accept all the cookies. After that, you just need to scroll down a little bit and there is a login option. Just click on the login option and next interface is shown to you where you can enter your username firstly, and after that you need to enter your password. And when you have entered both your username and password, you can just click on the login button that is right below on the left hand side and you will be able to log in into Ultimate Finance account. So this is how you can easily log in into Ultimate Finance account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.